Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a user to a project in Jira. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to navigate to the project that you want to add user to. So in my case it is this mobile banking app. Now click right here on this people icon and this will open up this window where you can link contributing teams. As you can see, you have no teams created, so then go back and then to teams. Now just simply click on add people and type here their email addresses. And once you do that, just simply select an email address and add more people if you want. And here you can simply select which project they'll be added to. So select a project, mobile banking app, select a Jira project roles. So if you want them to be a member, they are part of the team and can edit, add and collaborate on all work. You can add them as administrator, so basically the permission as you do, or as a viewer, so they can search through, view and comment on your team's work, but not much else. So click on member, and then other products and access, you can add them to other Atlassian products if you want, and then add one person, or add a multiple if you have. So as you can see, the invite is sent, and if they confirm it, they will appear here and in the project as well. As you can see, that unassigned one. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.